Sachi Hawaii's Damon Reese here. Aloha! Welcome to this week's 60-second open house. Today's open house sits at the top of Maunalani Heights, previously featured, this time with more flora, fauna, and color added to the interior decor. The home is a previous winner of the most prestigious remodel award here in Hawaii. It is surrounded by Buddhist pine trees and features beautiful and spectacular ocean and Diamond Head views. Come check it out with me. As you can see, the Japanese Hawaiiana architectural style of this home makes it very unique. If you have any questions about this property, please do not hesitate to give me, Damon Reese, a call. And aloha!